Justis Daniel was a popular figure in his Kitsilano neighborhood, a warm and social man who was the Tatlow Park caretaker, living on site in the caretaker's cottage. That's where the 77-year-old was found dead amidst a gruesome crime scene in December of 2021. Today in BC Supreme Court, his friend, Brent White, was found guilty of his second-degree murder. During White's trial, the court heard that Daniel had been stabbed 42 times in the head, face, and neck, and had suffered blunt force trauma to the head. White's defense never disputed that he killed Daniel, but argued it was an act of self-defense. White himself testified that Daniel attacked him as the two men sat on the couch watching CNN. He said Daniel bit his neck, drank his blood, then threw a knife at him, all the while claiming to be Iblis, the Islamic equivalent of the devil. And it was in defending himself against that attack that he killed Daniel with a knife he fished out of his pocket. The judge said White's evidence was inconsistent, not credible or reliable, and, quote, a product of hindsight, at best, of a bizarre nature. She also said there was no evidence White suffered from a mental condition that could raise a reasonable doubt about his intent to kill, which is necessary for the finding of second-degree murder. About a dozen friends of Daniel who came to court quietly clapped, hugged, and sobbed as Justice Marion Masonville delivered her verdict. White will be sentenced at a future date. Karin Larsen, CBC News, Vancouver.